Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Kidde worry-free model P4010ACS smoke alarm. So here it is. It is a hardwired alarm. Got a color status ring right there, kind of like the Nest Protect. 10-year backup, test button, easy install. 10-year warranty right there. Alarm, 10-year battery. There's the test button, and there's the wiring pigtail. 10-year battery. It's photoelectric. Has the always-on system. Complies with the authorities, UL, FHA, HUD, NFPA, and CSFM. End of life notification. 10 years of continuous operation. Afterwards, this device will automatically alert you that it is time to replace the alarm. 40 degrees to 100 degrees. 95% relative humidity. Hush button, test button and LED, has an end-of-life chirp, has a voice alarm, quick and easy to install, and a status ring. Manufactured by Kidde. Is suitable for the living area because it quickly detects fires often caused by smoking, wood stoves, or fireplaces. And then this is this side. If you want to read, just pause. I've heard these have issues, but hopefully not. Let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we've got. So, yeah, right here we've got the usual Kidde wiring harness. We've got the manual, which is printed in blue. Installation instructions and the activation tool. And take that off. We have the base right here, just a standard Kidde base. And we have the alarm itself. So yeah. 10-year smoke alarm. And it says green operate. I'll zoom in on that. Come on and focus. Green operate, red alarm, amber fault. 10-year smoke alarm. So yeah. Do not remove dust protection strip until all construction is complete. Must be removed prior to operation and occupancy. Ooh, I like the look of it. I'm going to put this back in the box. Model P4010ACS. Smoke alarm. 3 long beeps for, well, if you want to read that, just pause. Okay. Activation tool. Here's this. This is also the key to turn it off and back on. Because this is one of them you can turn off. Turn it on. Well, maybe not yet. Here's the alarm. On and disable and discharge the alarm. 10-year warranty, made in China. And this is the battery, apparently. Here's the pigtail. So, yeah. Now, if you want to read the manual, just pause. Here. There's that. Again, if you want to read, just pause. Okay, there's the manual, and then the other side's in Spanish. So, yeah. Now let's take a look at the quick setup guide. Don't mind that clock. To avoid low battery chirping, model will also announce replace alarm. One of the following steps must be taken to ensure activation. Rotate the unit fully onto the mounting plate to allow for installation. Battery will remain active when unit is removed from mounting plate, unless you turn it off, of course, which you can do. Look at the red wheel on the back of the unit. Turn the red wheel to the on position using the included white activation tool. Battery will remain active to allow for installation on mounting plate. To complete installation, attach mounting plate to wall or ceiling junction box. Attach the AC connector to the back of the alarm. This is the newer style without that tab on it. You can use either or. The other ones have that little ear on it. Push to, okay. Sweet. Okay then, well, I guess I'm gonna take it outside and actually activate it and test. Okay, so now I'm out in my shop and I'm gonna go ahead and activate this. I didn't want to do it in the house because there's people home. Well, hello. It made a noise. And can we turn it off? Yes, we can. What the? Okay. Let me put it on the bracket. What was that noise? Hello? I want to turn it on. Okay, now it turned on. It made a different noise. Oh. Okay. It chirped. Ah.
Testing.
Oh.
This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Fire. Test complete.
It kind of makes cute noises. I like it. Oh.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. Test cancelled.
Sweet. Come on.
Test cancelled.
What the heck?
Test cancelled.
Oh.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. Test cancelled.
Okay, now I get it. So, yeah, you press it, and it'll make that noise,
Testing.
and then it'll press.
This is very loud.
And then it'll test.
Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Test complete.
Okay, what happens when you do it with smoke? Tell you what, I'm gonna power it on 120 volts and then see what it does. So I'll be back once I've wired it. Okay, I've got it hooked to 120. Now I'm gonna plug it in. Come on. Oh. It's green.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Test complete.
Where's the speaker? What the heck? Oh. There's the sensor. Thing, the black right in there. That's the sensor. But yeah, that'll do it for the Kidde P4010ACS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.